Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pausing and ending your workouts on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have a new Apple Watch, you may be wondering how you can pause or cancel your active workout. From the workout screen, swipe to the left to get to the workout controls. Here you can tap pause to pause the workout and then tap resume when you are ready to continue. When you are finished working out, tap the end button here. You will then be shown info about the workout, and all of the detailed statistics will be saved in your fitness and health apps on your iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.